Oh, hey guys, we finally got a decent signal. And I popped it. And I'm gonna have a shoe buckle. It's got everything with it. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Look at that. Hopefully I didn't bend it. But clean it up and I'll show you in a wrap up. Very nice. Yeah, see Jay got some coupling.
They're very...
Oh, very, very, very delicate.
Very delicate.
Those Rosalie?
I don't see any fancy on them. They only got one little thing holding them together.
It's nice. Everything we've been finding is 1700s, late 1700s, early 1800s, but not much past probably 1800s.